Yanko Saturday, Yame Edia Chaye. That is December, Bosuminimoa, and a run that also do me and son. Na Yamidi Adoma Dutchna, Ghana Premier League, Ebitoja. In fact, Ebitoja, that is a Friday, and a Saturday, Ebitoja, na Sunday, Okasio Womono, Krobiama Poma Metema Santi Kotoko. One also Eddie Adekasi Ewa pitch so near Dinkumabu and Tushire. More details about final training. Yeah, the whole details amount Ewa channel ho Yabacho Okohonoma Obinus and Niema Edda Honum. Other stories making headlines, so Edda. Now on this episode, Kotoko strategy with regards to player signing. Yebedi hun komokakra Kotoko strategy. Mebacho you say no Obia ebisi Cote d'Ivoire, ebisi Cameroon, ebisi Nigeria player lande, ebisi se nyabotre. Onsi for my farmer. Yede bro, Hebrew, ebema boko nafi. Also when you're the air coin. On this episode, Yebedi komo afa Samartex player bia all 24 years. Now monitor the contract now. And he's a really good player. Now Kotoko strategy for this window. Akwadani din APM ho. Yebe rem na ye di hon komo wakosi akan wa Benia. Na hon komo eda yanim hanom sanso. Na ye nua baako enso ede asembisabi ba ye de atwire ede amano. Obisa Asante Kotoko strikers coach. Hon komo ete say yes, ye di hu juma justice ede ma kama. Bekosunti Chino Brian Jr. Manya udini ya. Thank you so much. Manya ni so ana eni de kwan so de acheme. Kotoko strikers coach. With a good question by Ama management crown say na omo timi ahye ho adwuma se a omo ba beyo. Enti ye don sam bro more friend Dronzo it's you. Ni nyina so ade anim na yemfa nsomo na yenko na poki crowd and some no enye.
There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?
Okay, let's do this. Odim yeko yesha samna say Asante Kotoko strategy with regards to this transfer window in January no. Minuanum bebre ebe stories. Ebi be ko ha ebi si nipa din no mobo nyabotre. Na yemfa nsempa ensomo. Menka so mo de na yentro. Na menka say yinkum dwafo nidwa da bi. Sa na esitie na de tie ene say yenso de yate from the horse's own mouth. Na yede air to anim sa ene esitie. Ebe ka tro se Kotoko ebe sign 4 good players this January transfer window. Euma na exit door no baako ho abeda ho ntia kobasa epushi call 5 asat now and Saturday amene o ka say 5 players and I nim say most likely won't be to me adjoining Asante Kotoko but oko 5 na sia there is a bar science here all things being equal said the more economics no you can a ceteris paribus no me pacho e be to me link up about 6 but enya conk 4 to 5 more likely 6 all things being equal, this will be BC answer and Sana Etimiaka could do 6. Now, Kotoko strategy for this transfer January window. I am a next week, ye anono, and it's most definitely 2 potent strikers ever joining Asante Kotoko. Woman himself Morafin Donzo, a striker there, but pretty good. Our wings, ain't he? Unim wings, any boy ye, and or sounds so any munsu boy ye. Name fa na NC Empire esibo so enti Kotoko company for adwene say 2 strikers omo de augmented squad na ebebo yi we ye nkomo a enye boshirim ka nemu yate every mpanyfo ani de kwan so ano a yen so ye possibility so nunum eri asom ntentem so na wie kunim de so enti 2 strikers no enti min kwaye say ebi omu nyina be foreigners yes agents no mahodo 9 are presenting Kotoko strikers ben 9 na me nsakro mu nyina ya hoho but onsa hoho no fa wo ma ebo no wo soro ebi nso anakwa akosi boss na yekoto beku ma enti mu nkyeremu ne se Kotoko hye se ebi obetimi apeke 1 foreign striker woye really good na brosu kwa emienu nso a wo mu ebebo won tuhye no mate osana se ampa o mafa ne sa yes sana esitie but Kotoko option and it's or share Ghana marketing onya strikers maybe all blacks player who asem ma and you know nations FC nkomo any other teams so nkomo and now so 1 player ono Essien kan wa Jordan ho so nkomo ba enti coach assessing nyina hwe na otimi nya ba ko free mu a ene ahoho strikers no obeyi ba ko ena aka ho na akwa emienu nti sa na say local scene market no strikers ni nyina ni de kwa say ntebe de a any most definitely obeto aso no ahwe se de wo ba na wo ye hoho no wo de poke crowd na eba ye kwa yanimu na yato aso ato ntrenti me pa chaw edin boy bi bo we ene o ahwe abeti Mustafa nyina nya botre ene edin bo kwa obo na ba mu a wadi aba amama ntimi nkwaye ne hwe nti madin ankofo bi bo bi anya yi aha ye bo morofin donzo din ye de ni video to so ede mawo. Yes, na de mpanyifo se yen kan ye beka yen san mo nam se ani wo ma na eye adwuma nyame bo a Monday technical meeting ebetoja on Monday na honom after Monday no na din be sha se a drop it officially din no komo no yes e be sha se a drop it na Kotoko bobo wie bia omo ye technical meeting ye bo future stars dia na ye anye nti eno ye o ma fa no se minor game kakra. Until on Sunday, you should Dreams FC. We are Monday technical meeting because so with management and a technical staffs, you know, the numu and a presentation of players are willing to sign. Omunyana all things being equal, yeah, can't see that all hands on deck. Omunyana beka boom, na coach any management, Oma Giorgio, na bibiano, a drop it, kama, sa ana isi etia. Me pacho ye strikers, and say yes, ebisi a ho near the idea, ye di hujumano. Central midfielder. And so ever joining Asante Kotoko. Now you do central midfielder no so no me pacho enumu ena sisia edini biaba check dogly all hearts of lion din apiemo nations FC players ni bi din apiemo na edin na apiemo ne Saturday homeda kwan so yede ma Samartex 24-year-old guy your friend is Emmanuel Kofi Essien ono so din apiemu ne enti yemfa ento anim our experience here nam so we see akan ewo Albania league ni mu edema clubby footballit scandabil edin timo ko see akan ma o no clubby footballit scandabil ewo Albania krobia fence Corsi kronomu ena na ewo okosi akan ma o mo sibo so ena osan free ho eko Spanish lower tier club bia your friend said Saint Raphael club the football Saint Raphael. And no ewo Ibiza Island and nchen area bi o her friend say Balearic Island e ho no and another team no ewo na in fact ofri ho and was returning back to Ghana ebebo Brekum Chelsea kakra onya stint kakra bi with Brekum Chelsea into ofri ho no and or joining Samartex January 17th 2025 January transfer window no mo and or the joining wo mo enti e ho no and our why so 1 year contract bi no sign e ne ade nkoma metia no na oni agency bi a you're from so Golden Gate Group and a year Juma put it in 2 kwan echo Albania and a Spain lower tie anymore and no young common kakri free mobile Kotoko a woodland sakwadano central midfield the somope woman didn't ever 2 papers to be now much na see that corner the best so no is you no so one also at me abonitisha by see a kind at the Amasante Kotoko mind you young far way into an himself Kotoko strategy for this window no and it said omunya more utility players omope Kotoko enya more utility of players omope to a striker eso timi e yero hobo ebo wing obi na eboa we ya wing ganso a emu e de eso timi striker na central midfielders no mostly eso you obi so a utimi bo more rows enkonkwo ese me de me position ahanko a nti enumu ena ma crash ni din edimu ntente ba ye pa Emmanuel Kofi Essien I think was 24 JC or so and Edema Samartex Buboko na or a really regular player Edema Womopa Emmanuel Kofi Essien na the tier and it's also to me as a wing back as a wing back apart from central midfield role na utimi bonintia no ya no trump card kakra bua nam so utimi bo several roles no omode Hamzata ya stick ye pass akwada no so wonfa so into unya players so utimi bo several positions in terms of injuries etoja the pacha winger outside left-sided winger and so by joining Asante Kotoko and no any yesi so dia man ni nyina mo no nyame bo a Monday technical meeting no and na ombe sinipo no macheche ato apete na bibia wie nkonim bie so afi office no be sha ase akoma dinkane players and most of them edin commode but after meeting Monday no and a woman or contract any other with other teams no woman teams be sha ase a delay enti nei okise Kotoko player bia okobisa club no mo se yate enso yenya official paper bia sa pepe if you Monday kono ɛna bibia betumi ato aso na awie konimdie so ɛno nkɔmɔ kakra free mu to dwa na yankɔ yɛnsɛm wei so ai deɛ tie ɛne sɛ yɛde ɛma sɛ ebisi Cote d'Ivoire ebisi Nigeria ebisi say ni hwan no hwan ebe join teams no mepacho nyabotre after Monday meeting no emu nkyemu nyina no yede ba beto wanim ewo mo morofin donzo situation about last week say sanamode mo si boa so saa o meja no kwa mepacho nyabotre enu san pompon so no enuanum bi ne tumri kan tentem so ente sa donzo sisi ade anim ene se empanyufo oba afoforo no ball bibia wo mbi omo ya adwen se nka omo kire no se yemia mpaebo mmobọ ma ne manwie peye me san subscribe sa but story ma me fan tudwa ema ye ne team for so de tie ewom ena donzo cry se okọ ni krom na sabi nunum bia nsi Ghana enche ni krom ena okopunu no ho baaye in fact okoye ebaaye no still I see buo so na Kotoko ne hat folk no mpanyimfo bi mpoboa no anadudum adwuma kakra kɔ so a mpaibɔ kɔ so a no so ema no vim kakra ɛsɛ ehu kakra bi ni ade saa na mpanyimfo susu enti enei eduru baby na abet amo a ɛwɔ similar problem wo ma mbo abet amo a no wo ma afa to mo so asase ɛde morofin donzo so ɛfa we ɛbebuo kakra kakra ha ɛfa saa kwantempo no so a yes they really hope say donzo ebetimi arise to the occasion no aboa ama team no awie konimdie so na no and a circus leadership on so the yetete and say omni management meeting omokoye ye any ade ne mu nsam de ama me todwa na team ne kan kro ho nti and omni panyufo ekokohia mo na ba kon and say omo willing say Kotoko new player the omni management no ebeka bom na as a fortification special one bi adwuma bia no omaye se ne be ya oba umudro no ebetimi ato aso na awie konimdie so new strategy atoja with regards to players renewal of contract ansu ebeko ansu onko ansu deal eda homa no a omo emblock jemenim eno no baba ya last week no beka say the contract with Kotoko enche baba wiye Kotoko ne no asase edi nkoma a very fruitful player is willing to stay eno kakra free baba ya de mu ba Patrick Essien any Lord Amoa mostly Lord Amoa deal bi boni trinko ewa amono ne de ma akwada no wo so kakra na enya mature mature ye beba betu anim de tie ene se nkwada no nyina contract na bi wom de nanso omo mpese ebekọ akoye hwebuada enti Patrick Essien ene Lord Amoa so wo contract ho nkomo kakra se na be no di tefa ne kakra betu so ama wo mu no wo guso ene wo eka with regards to Kamara goalkeeper and a Samba yen captain and a Pitamidu aqua situation no it's still as the same so they unim no renewal no omo enyan renew ye but new strategy omafa akasa ekoso no say omo so players ni be hia mu biem adi nkoma mpanyufo no omo augmenti wo mu no mo transi adi nkoma no na kasa na timi akoso no ma hwe se ebetimi akwa animu a for now yenim se Amidu aqua situation no kasa no kwa animu obetimi asesa na adwen na watena Samba nso similar situation but Kamara situation no na yebetimi aka se ye asinso so anase sibo so a eno enchemu kakra de tudwa ama ye na tiefo nyame bo a enne yebekọ akọ menhia side ho yes baby a fire service for no base na hodom ena chairman Solo Ofosuware already yeto abayi no afi na ye ba beso any in officially na handed over ceremony ni ade akoso ne ede amane be rem na mu details nya no Emmanuel Menya na ba kwa gracious ede achi ede amane ne expect more news from there I de be call akwakofa ede abrewo ewo mu ye de ba kwa ye friend say Chino Brian Junior or ye regular commenter or ta commenter or your channel how you papa bisa say senior please I have a question. I would love to know if our darling club Krobia Santi Kotoko have a strikers coach. Ye dear chairman Abisan Penyufo. Normal crown so say last technical meeting told Gano coach the two say omunya striker be our Ghana and also Ghana as you see our Tifia ese or ya ne badges near de be team no a ebeboa ma training akoso wo mo asusu hu a o mo dwen ho e ma tete obi kra ko boy be kan din any ade for now Kotoko any strikers coach opposite na former defender ono an hweso na ofa Prince Usu any Hamza wo mo so aspie here dia se ekoba so mu team no mo ye departmental training na mostly ofa Prince Usu any Hamza mini Hamza and eta eteki sa initiative no ede atu omo se say ya Mitchford ni din ede Gaddafi Michael Akufo ono so ye ne badges and I say oh yeah intention no and also boa other squad midfielders ni pa na say honom and any deep row na o play nti Kotoko ahunu sa de say a problem nti omo find solution to it ni nyina mo on Monday technical meeting no on be say so no ma hwe so betime anya obi a ekwan da no ho a we good striker in fact say omo kofa striker ba training grounds or no so do for special skills mo na bibia to me akoso nti obisaya na question no ene dia man but yes kakum ye gino opanyi ota gina wanum ti se nya kwaku obiem ye kwa ahoma no so ne abisa ye nua Emmanuel Menya onom ene ye groundsman audi Asante Kotoko echi okok training grounds a eya ohu ni say na eya ohu ni say your special strikers coach bi or ene ye nim and as I say ne city na na ba ye nchia no yemisa quick one no pay wo duty eyo enti yemisa we uko training grounds so e na strikers no say ne city
boss send you to ahwefo ne atiefo anim no sa ana city anytime bi akro bi Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no ebewura training grounds na omo ahwe na omatimi aye adwuma kama no eya omo team ni mu mienu sa nyemre ni nyina emra omo pese mu training defenders na ekombe faso a match e bi omo ekwa akobo no omo be defend well no eba goalkeeping department eba defenders na omo ko one side na omo fa midfielders no any strikers no enso akọ the other side na send your question no edi kan eba ye nti no ye be strikers no ehwo adwuma na de ama wo mo na ohwe striking department na aya always be and I am coach now, but omo a groupie the strikers and the midfield for the boom so that ombe creative now omo score no matter one goalkeeper. I don't know I can't say partner omo afa about the midfield department and then striking department now always no aya omo e tell omo now omo do mo ewura sa training ni mo no coach and din Hamza Obeng any coach Prince Yaw Owusu. Anytime biara ebe wura ho na ye hwe Kotoko trainer and also because no on be check team no bienu bia no Prince Yaw Owusu any Hamza Obeng and they take in charge na coach Abdul Karim Zito ahwe akire enso atimi e dem normally no aya ono no ewo your friend say defenders left side pa because while hwe the background na adina in terms of defending are very good so I have heard that department more but anytime you hear more no also the any air pass so in case of something now also akwa then yes a directives be and say if you go hall or the players no any coaches now go to me at the momo and so on anytime a room or dako judge and I say baby for the continue be training bia I coach Prince Yawusu and then Hamza Obeng so omo ehwe that department no e de amakrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko obo former striker bidding so on we see aka de Kotoko da
absolutely
boss me boa yes on see so na djuma ma Samartex it one Samartex o share omo yes omo you team no so and once again anytime a team be senior team be training bia on na hwe the striking department it's a djuma om dia man so se Kotoko ba ko fa ne dia and yeah, was on good to be ma Samartex and
me sure say besa akobo sa aka me de ne story say me de ne example say previously ni din pop up maybe atwam em say an ko ho and Samartex akofa nti say ne players dey omabu Kotoko former players be bring ho no nti say they need a rise and they work on it
sure nti boss last time let me do one come say Kotoko enya strikers coach abeboa pa because since year no nipa ye ten hu no I think say omo ebeko ho no me report the ma say former player Michael Akufu na o trainee Peter Midwapa because ono na ya available that day and then Morofin Tonzo in terms of shooting and other things no ono mo ye adwuma and after the game no ono ma training more e wo ho and they say ono mo ye adwuma more sorry Endra ono mo ye adwuma more pa and so e wo ho nti ono so buy no ono so boa e wo anim ho no said e be ya Kotoko be start as score more goals so Kotoko I'm requesting for video analyst coach na say obehwe ye say adwuma dia ma mo ne de omo so hwe that department said odi kan to dwa say coach Abdul Karim Zito and so e ba ko to pay for him say omo fan kan ho na bia and so be boa na ni man so akoye dem Kotoko.
Talking about video analysis, no, so we share no or share adwuma be na otwemi ni say na uni niema wo training grounds or you be special be e won chen with the video footage na video training no any other the coach early any ni din wa ya adwuma Kotoko pen there nti onya hoho Kotoko biem.
Oh yes. Boss, my channel from Coach Ogum time last season. Last season I'm year 2 and no more about my mention ye kakram farmer ashefone tifo no. Anytime you be ba wa dakoja bi ho na wonim or hwe ni wonim. Se ukwa dakoja achi na se wo hwe training na. Uncompleted building na was ro honom no. So ata no mu use menka na say old training pitch no. Enti uncompleted building no won say nipa 2 na omu use cameras bi menye phone no mu use camera.
Okay.
And the adwuma no. No me so a video Kotoko train on be nyina. Sound crofo no anaba ko aba and boss very calm coach. Yes. Very calm. On tena no kasa sa.
Yes.
On tena no kasa do on do ni me pa because na kwada ko jachi na me ha ne pa. On do ni me. And I think say because she no was so full line meaning di nkomo kakra and happy say we get it back to the team on also eba be adwuma and send your in adwuma no and then paying for ehun adwuma brana coach Ogumo hono the same thing na oguso a oye me kai Wednesday dey call ejoso no obai obantempa he came early and from the warm up to the end of the game you know making sure so behwe send any betimi akọ and oba the gadgets everything and so kuta na oye ho adwuma kama edema ko the consumer book nti oba wa start adwuma and as usual the one year time I know and one who on also and the communication with the technical department you know as was after training piano you see say on a coach carrying to edim komo afa ni omoye ehone ade a amko fie so we know say omoye ho adwuma more and so on so we are hoping say anyway bit me akoye di ama omo and then bonding no mean can say how our communication be from that department to the technical department, you know, and then we could ye diama could have put in that and shana and what kui at diamanti. A demand was chassis or ye pa. And I think say or start here before Hawkeye United game, no.
Yes.
No start here because let me tackle training but before Hawkeye United, you know, and it was all started a video team training. And after Hawkeye, you know, or sounds be real as I swore, and just what sounds be here, so and sorry, Andra. No, so come.
Okay, quick one. You way 1 minute. Na yem fancy. Na yem kwenim. The tier and say CCA. You didn't carry previously. Or in channel or said Johnson upon Usu. Awuche nom. ABC Awuche 50-50. No, Awuche most definitely. Where Umbe register Johnson upon Usu. And I think Emmanuel Kote. Yes, Emmanuel Kote. And most definitely, all things being equal, I mean, cancer brofuni BM. In team menu, that is needing that be a mechanic Andrews in team menu, yes, and also it look more likely registration because so what assess players you were training grounds during the entire week. Osha, I'm up to say task and on which me I make it a threshold, you know. I join a Kotoko on the registration players.
Okay, boss, 4 players here. Wabomudi, we can say back to the training to the team. And registered players. Mimi Muno, and Jimmy, yes, me go be asem. Me can't Jimmy who na the actual.
Continue, maybe so individual opinion.
Yeah, I see only 3 players, and I'm just serious.
Okay.
3 players, and I'm just serious.
You used to say,
one.
We are ready. Pair when you know,
okay, me that's part. We are ready for Kotoko. Yes. Me who Johnson.
Okay.
One thing, Johnson will be on Pekasa. To be frank, on Pekasa.
Okay.
Or training grounds and after training, was straight to your friend is a bus. Upon training, I want to grab a bus and then they will call. So always his focus. Okay. And a bad trainer and faster or man register no any activity in Hano. Yeah, and what's what you would train. Yes, yeah, also you training grounds no, I am very well.
And
Bibiatre said he's ready to play for the team. And we improvement about the training because you Cape Coast here when you course or honor now and you all that good or tough for the good sir. But now no improvement about confidence level no so because what you to me now so check to me could tabo on the chepa and making the final decisions and so and so a very good training grounds. So Jonathan upon Wusu and Emmanuel Corti. On the player be a prior Kotoko team were forced from the start, from the start of the rehab. Were forced your training out till now. And if Kotoko team the crown on the junior team no air training. And anytime Biana senior team near back or back to a friend and say training or obey training. And they were in paying for share near Madimano, the Kai Tama. Na mi hu power training grounds or bar or communicate crowd na power enough for gym and or ye be beer the paying for can be our year. And what on it team now you training from the rehab now to this time and Osha send here the nearest year Bray Akona is ready to play for Kotoko and Kotoko register on the second round down and Andrews in team men or buy on Phillian. Andrews in team men buy on Phillian. How aggressive he is and the other things, no. And see, we was starting shooting any day. These three players now is ready. Andrews in team Elvis K. Bafwa Auchi. Or on your training more power.
Can yes. On your training. 4 players, 3, and most definitely, what I call DBano. Register my bebwa. Auchi, they're here for no to Sinica crap.
Oh, Auchi, no. Which in last season the performance we can say 100%. Players performance wasn't 100% because they had mistakes at the bed. But still, I say improvements by more. And after injury, when Timmy training with a senior team. Now I know I started with a senior team. So we can see say everything all recover ever. So if some person was joining team, I was second round in the year, and also improve your training now, or
speedy up.
Maybe I just say,
it's so speedy up, Kakra.
Yes, because our firm, and pen yemi hunin there, me wouldn't say we are fully fit. Pen yemi huno, me wouldn't say we are fully fit. So if say we are fully fit there, I was so sure BB, and we know I think say Coach Kaimzi to buy every Thursday be another friendly matches near the and the information I gather and I say because of now players no be get players no be every planning I didn't now into me more and now players I get it back to or best start about friendly matches every Thursday and I think say every Thursday be an best Jumano training grounds and that into men sorry Awuchi every say bar for best start now on also because me
Nanaba Kwame Gracious, you're an able reporter or a justice to the job. And your match game, about a Dutch 90 celebrate, Nanaba, young fancy, na Ejua home, you say, Unia also a question. I'll wait to me there. I told us here now, yeah, Juma Eddie Amount. Me did the Derrickson Kizito, meaning Nanaba Kwame Gracious, and I'll turn in come. Yeah,